stop tailgating. Here you go, Scotty. Tailgater. What do you think of this one? What do you think of this one, Scotty?
I think he should put it in his asshole.
What an idiot. Tailgater. Get this tailgater.
The fuck is that?
It's listed. Movies, text them in at
But it's not Tom, it's someone up here.
Oh, okay.
Stupid. You're fucking stupid. That was so stupid.
Melbourne traffic.
Bluebets offering $5 for
Rear camera.
to win the Victoria Derby by one or more lengths at
Look at the
Flemington
guy,
on Saturday.
you can probably see in the mirror, the red car.
Yeah, no, you can't. It's more on your side.
It was on the left side park and did a U-turn pretty much to that spot and just cut off the VW.
I had,
Take the next left onto Glenford Road, State Route 5.
Yeah, of course, wrong way obviously.
In 600 meters.
License and registration, please.
What seems to be the officer problem?
Sir, why don't you step out of the car for me?
Okay.
What are you doing?
you know, like we're doing our parenting very well. Hope she doesn't. What's she doing?
I don't know what she's doing in the middle of the fucking road.
Peter, isn't she?
Okay, Google.
Oh my god! Yeah, someone's nearly just fucking taken out another car right in front of us.
What are you doing? Fucking knob. Wrong side of the road. Oh, you are a fucking... That's going to Scotty. Damn right!
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Fucking long way, didn't it? You fucking dickhead. And straight ahead from the fucking turn left lane. What a fucking bell end.
Well, he shot himself in the nuts again. Because all they do is outside interference and the cheap finishes and the fucking everybody beats everybody up in front of the referee, blah blah blah. But now he's basically said, but we can control that.
A few moments later.
New Japan Strong Openweight Championship with the Ring of Honor World Championship. And the big deal to me as the owner of Ring of Honor.
causing a bit of chaos here. Blimey mate, you can't park there. I think.
Metal bars or something?
No, I think he's picked up his bumper and put it on the back seat and the points are coming out the window.
Okay.
I think.
Don't tell me what you think!
Yeah. There it is.
See bumper? Or he's got a spare bumper. It is a bumper.
Yeah, maybe he's bought a new one.
It's not the right colour. Why do that? There's nothing behind me. Nothing behind me.
Don't you know you can't drive a piece of shit like that on the highway?
That's just when we stopped.
Are you fucking kidding me?
What the fucking idiot?
It's alright.
Dead man! Dead man walking! Dead man walking here! Dead man!
Motherfucker.
素晴らしいチンチンもの金玉の亀あるそれの音サルボボいえ忍者がいます Hey hey let's go 金化する大切なもの Protect my balls 僕が悪い So let's fighting Let's fighting love Let's fighting love
Better smell, oh, I'm gonna tell